P-A-P. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pen pineapple apple pen.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia. I absolutely love colourful makeup, but today I'm not doing makeup. I have my lovely nephew here, Alex.
Yeah.
So, Alex has got some of his toys. He's going to show us some of his toys, aren't you, Alex?
Yeah.
So what are these toys that you've got?
Rainbow friends.
Rainbow friends. Do they have names or?
Yeah. Orange, green. Blue and then green.
Oh, okay. I've never heard of these before. I'm showing my age. Okay, Alex, what else do you have?
And then I've got a robot.
That's cool. What does it do? Does it do anything?
Yeah, it's remote control.
It's a remote control robot. Oh, that's cool. What else do you have? What other toys?
And then Pokemon.
Now, I do know what Pokemon is, to the extent of that I know Pikachu. Do you have Pikachu?
Yeah, I got them right here.
That's about it. That's about all I know about Pokemon.
And then Charizard.
Okay.
And then this one I don't really know.
Okay. I don't know their names either.
And then I think this one's called Speedy because he's got a lightning ball.
Okay.
And then I think this is someone dressed up as Pikachu.
Okay.
And then I also have super things.
What are they?
Super things.
Oh, okay. The other little characters that you collect, is it?
And then Fanny, and then this King Toaster, and then there's Mr. Parrot.
Mr. Parrot.
Yeah.
These are all toys that I know what Pokemon is. That's about it. Your other ones, I don't know what they are.
Okay.
What do you want for your Christmas?
An aircraft carrier, a helicopter, Pokemon.
What's the game that you like playing on the computer?
Grand Theft Auto.
Grand Theft Auto. Okay. What's the other one that you've been playing though? The newer one?
Fortnite.
Fortnite. Are you wanting some of the stuff from that for your Christmas as well? Okay, what was the things you were showing me this morning? What were the blinky box? No, not blinky box. What are they called?
Lanky boxes.
Lanky boxes. Okay, and what is it I'm getting for your Christmas?
Aircraft carrier and a helicopter.
And a helicopter. Okie dokie. Is there anything else you would like to say to my people that are watching?
I hope you have a good Christmas.
Okay. Is that us for today?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pen pineapple apple pen. Pen pineapple apple pen.